Need to use reference data instead of primitives? Well, let's use wrapper classes. Come on, let's learn some Java. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on 3 wrapper classes: integer, double, and boolean. Consider this example. We have int score1 equals 42. And so in memory, we can illustrate this as score1, which has the value 42. We can also say integer score2 equals 42 and use a wrapper class. The wrapper class will automatically box up the primitive value 42 as reference data, and score2 will reference that new object. The wrapper classes are great at turning primitive data into reference data and reference data back into primitive data. This is called boxing and unboxing. So if we have int score1 equals 42 and we say integer score2 equals 5, we will have boxed up 5 as an integer. Then if we say score1 plus equals score2, well, the plus equals is going to say score1 plus score2. We have an int type on the left and an integer type on the right. In order to do this arithmetic, we have to unbox the integer 5 to be a primitive 5. And so we get 42 plus 5, and that's 47. Since score1 is of type int, 47 stays a primitive type. And score1 gets the value 47. The constants integer.min value and integer.max value represent the smallest integer and the largest integer. This can be really useful when trying to determine the minimum or maximum values. The wrapper classes also have useful parse methods. In this case, we have string age text equals io.readLn enter your age. That reads the age int as a string. If we want to convert that into an int, we can use parseInt. So for example, if age is 16 is entered, integer.parseInt is going to change that to int 16. We also have double.parseDouble, which will take a string and convert it into a double, and boolean.parseBoolean, which will take a string and convert it into a boolean. Now before we move on, take a second to practice what you learned in the Java playground. Then be sure to like and follow and check out the links in our description.